this is how our morning about to start. With this little cuteness. With this little pretty girl. Hi. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
Here is your baby, your big baby. Big one.
She's out? Yes, she's.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, cry, Mama, cry.
Oh, yes?
She has time. She has 1 minute.
Hello.
Come and catch your baby. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Great.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Look how I'm sweating because it's hot as usual. Hot, super hot. This morning I am heading out to go to my first doctor's appointment since having my princess. There she is. Say hello, say morning. Say morning, Faves. Look at her smiling. Yes, 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 you. Yes, you in hot red this morning, huh? In hot red this morning. So baby's out of town today, so he won't be able to come to my first doctor's appointment with me, but that's okay. I'm heading out to catch the bus in about 10 or so minutes and head to town, and my cousins in the meantime will stay in town at the park. They'll go at the park and have some fun until I go to my doctor's appointment and stuff like that. So we'll see what else we'll do for the rest of today. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We're gonna head out right now. Ready? You're ready? You're ready? Ready? Let's go. You guys, reached the town, and just before I reached, I got a message from my doctor that my appointment has been delayed for almost an hour. So we come to have lunch. And
my cousins are going to the water park.
And where are you going? Use up your words.
I'm going with my mom to
The doctor.
to an appointment.
Right. The thing is with my doctor is that he works at the hospital delivering babies. So whenever somebody goes into labor and is his patient, he have to go in. So I'm sure that's what happened this morning. So I have to wait an hour before I go to my appointment. While we wait, we're at McDonald's having lunch. I'm having just a small fish sandwich and Tyler's having his usual nuggets.
I want to drink the fish sandwich.
Please?
Please?
Okay. Can I set them myself?
I can't.
There's no such thing as can't. No, you have to put them on the chair. Telling you from there. For my appointment. No, on the chair. So you guys, doctor appointment went amazing. It went well. I am cleared to do just about everything under the sun. Healing went amazing. I could never be more happier with how pleased my doctor was with everything. After having Sarah, she's here with me laying down because we are at the water park where my cousins are screaming and let loose and in their comfort zone and having the time of their life. Marion is behind me. Tyler is here playing game. However, I'm also excited because I am going to meet a YouTuber today, like right now, in the next 10 minutes. Linda from Linda Tina TV is in my city, and she hit me up, and I'm gonna meet her. So let's see. I'm probably go have a drink with her or something. So she's here on a little vacation with her family. So I'm excited to meet everybody, and it's just sad that she came when baby's out of town. Baby's out of town today working, so it's just me and Tyler that she'll meet. So I'm actually waiting for her to call me to let me know exactly where she is. But anyway, hopefully I'll get to vlog her a little bit with her family. Anyway, hey Linda, can't wait to see you, girl. Sarah's here chilling. Look at her. Cuckoo. Hey mama. Hi. Hi. She loves to grab her hair like crazy. Look at her grabbing her hair. Sarah, let go of your hair. And she have long hair around the back. She's just grabbing it non-stop. And it's a cute outfit. If she can stretch, she likes to stretch. Look at her face. Here she is. She calling me. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Look in front of you. Oh my God!
How are you a new mom? Like,
hi baby! Oh,
how are you? Where's Tyler?
Hi,
I'm
This is
fine.
my husband,
Thank you. Ciao, Alessandro. Nice to meet you.
Melissa.
Ciao, ciao.
Hi.
And this
Ciao.
is Tyler.
Ciao.
This is my
Alexa.
cousin.
Alexa has herself, so she doesn't
Oh
leave
no,
here in the swimming
Lexi.
pool.
Hi,
And
sweet
that's
boy.
Liam. Hi.
Cousins, and more cousins.
Ciao, hi.
My cousins are visiting from London, so my house is full, honey.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Ty, look.
You look even cute in person.
Oh my gosh.
And one of your face.
Ty. He's blushing. Oh God.
Place. In this
Yeah.
Exactly.
in this place when
Yeah. When he was
1 year old.
Oh. I have sanitizer, don't worry. Here.
Yeah, I don't want to touch her with dirty hands. You know, my African sisters will be like, whatever. But I'm like, But she's sleeping, so I won't get you. I won't get you.
You can take her up.
You know, she looks like Tyler.
She looks exactly like Tyler.
Liam, vieni a vedere. Questa bimba sono un mese. Just 1 month. Please. Oh yeah, you were once so small. Alexa, do you want to see the baby? Do you want to see Sarah?
Oh, she looked just like her brother.
Yeah, they look
She's so adorable. You're such a sweet boy.
You know, it's funny, red is my favorite color. I had
Yeah?
color in red, like
Really?
them. Yeah.
You can touch her. Go ahead. Don't touch her face.
Yeah, you can wear a costume and then you can go in the water.
He wants to go in the water now? He can go. My cousins were in there all day.
It's in the bag.
You know what he can do?
What?
He can put on the diaper and
You know, when they're babies, even when you were a baby, all you did is caca and sleep. Caca and food and sleeping. That's all they do, babies.
and
That are not the same, it means you've lost. And if you find the ones that are the same, like this one, like this one, this is 2 telephone.
Tyler have a new friend.
Wow, you have so many. Yeah.
Today,
Yeah.
it was the first of somebody and somebody was 2020. It was my dad's birthday.
Funny because I'm also 32. What do I see?
32.
I'm 32. I'm very big. How old are you?
And when is your birthday? When is your birthday? Friday.
This Friday?
Yeah.
Oh my God, how old are you?
You guys, we are finally home from a long day out and everybody's hungry. The kids all ate already. Sarah's here, about to close her eyes, sleeping. And this is what I'm eating. Marianne cooked stew peas yesterday again. And I'm sitting in the couch and I warm some and I'm eating it right now. Don't judge me. Spatty. Spatty's sleeping on Papa. And him falling asleep too. Anyway, you guys. Jeez. Let me just put it out there. I am tired. Today is the first I felt tired right this minute. Tired. It might not show on my face, but I'm feeling tired. My doctor appointment went amazing. Everything is fine. Was cleared to do whatever I want to do. So that's good. Anyway, you guys, I have to make you guys see babe before the vlog ends. Say hello. I haven't seen you all day.
Hi.
Baby's we put Sarah to sleep, so she's sleeping and Mama is gonna join in. But first I wanted to show you guys this amazing gift I got from Linda and her husband. It's a box of 2 wine in there. Looks good. So thanks Linda and hubby for the wine. Sorry that babe didn't get to meet you guys because he was out of town today, but it was fun meeting up. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop give you my no vibe self because I'm tired and everybody else is off the bed except babe and I. So we're gonna jump in right now. So if it's the first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe, catch up with your family. We love you guys. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up and of course comment down below and go follow me on Instagram, you guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, so you guys can see all the pictures that I'm posting of the fam fam. Catch up and keep up. Love you guys and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Eat Patrick. And of course Tyler is sleeping. He's long off to bed. He had a long day. He's tired. And so are we.